a Las Vegas casino with a new name. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man. A walkthrough of Horseshoe Casino Las Vegas. Located at the main entrance to Horseshoe is the Grand Bazaar Shops, a bustling open-air mall featuring boutiques, specialty stores, restaurants, and fast food outlets, including Ben & Jerry's, Dirt Dogs, Wahlburgers, Giordano's, Ramanya, and It's Sugar. And at the time of this recording, two new projects are under construction, Old Red and Bottled Blonde. Slated to open in late 2023, Old Red will be a 4-story restaurant, bar, and country music venue. And Bottled Blonde will be a 3-story pizzeria that features a beer garden, sports entertainment, and nightlife. Inside Horseshoe, there is a convenient walkway connecting the Horseshoe Casino to the Paris Casino. And that's where this tour starts, and it will finish at the Horseshoe Paris monorail station. As we enter the Horseshoe Casino, on the right is Purple Zebra Daiquiri Bar, featuring 20 delicious frozen drink flavors served in those fun souvenir cups. On the left is the new scaled-down Caesars Sportsbook. The old Sportsbook is now a new arcade, and it is coming up in the video. Continuing left on the south side of the casino floor, there is a casino cage and the high-limit slots area. And next is the Horseshoe showroom, the Jubilee Theater. Horseshoe originally opened as the MGM Grand Hotel and Casino in 1973. In 1986, Bally's Manufacturing purchased the resort and renamed it Bally's Las Vegas. Then in 2022, it was rebranded as Horseshoe Las Vegas, named after the original Binion's Horseshoe Casino in downtown Las Vegas. And here is the Hall of Fame Poker Room, which will bring the World Series of Poker to the Strip after its 17-year run at the Rio. Located behind the poker room is Nosh Deli, offering a selection of breakfast items made to order wraps, coffee, and desserts. There's also a poker face store offering customizable poker chips and the Horseshoe Casino Lounge. Exit here to take the escalator down to the Grand Bazaar Shops and the Las Vegas Strip. On the right is the Horseshoe Lobby Bar, an elegant late-night lounge that has a self-playing piano. And on the north side of the casino floor, here is the hotel registration area and a 24-hour Lavazza coffee shop, offering up a selection of pastries and baked goods paired up with that delicious Lavazza coffee. Here's Horseshoe Boutique. Inside you'll find Horseshoe and Las Vegas apparel, snacks, beverages, and tobacco products. The Essential Store has an extensive selection of adult beverages with snacks and tobacco items. Located on the east side of the casino floor is the Indigo Lounge, serving up handcrafted cocktails, daily dancing, and sublime live entertainment. Jack Binion Steak delivers on the legacy of the Binion name with an acclaimed selection of steaks cooked to perfection in an 1800-degree double broiler. MY Asia, the first Las Vegas restaurant from celebrity chef Martin Yan, is a culinary trip through the cultures and flavors of Asia. Take the escalator down on the east side of the property to get to the Avenue Shops, food court, the new arcade, and the Las Vegas monorail. Here is the Cabinet of Curiosities Lounge, a unique cocktail experience, and hidden away inside is the Lock Speakeasy. And next is the Real Bodies exhibition, where you can discover the elegance, complexity, and mysteries of the human body. And next is Twilight Zone by Monster Mini Golf, a Twilight Zone themed glow-in-the-dark 18-hole mini golf course. Step into Marshall Russo for exclusive women's fashions, shoes, jewelry, and accessories. The Horseshoe Avenue shops include more than 20 unique shops and boutiques with an countless array of souvenirs, treats, and services. Continuing along, here is the Horseshoe Food Court, open 24/7. The food court options are Johnny Rockets Hamburgers, Pan Asian Express, Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs, Subway Sandwiches, and Sbarro Pizza. Right across from the food court is the new arcade at Horseshoe. This 7,000 square foot arcade offers over 80 arcade games in an urban neon playground. This new arcade has all the latest and greatest games, from immersive state-of-the-art VR adventure games like King Kong and Jurassic Park. Also retro classics, pinball, and skee-ball. Continuing past the arcade and down the long hall, you will find the Horseshoe Spa, Fitness Center, pool, and entrance to the Las Vegas monorail station. For more info on the Las Vegas monorail, check out the video I made. I put a link in the description box below. Like what I'm doing, show support and hit the super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee or become a channel member. I put a link in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.